Using this as a pantry? How are you going to do that? Well, just open this up. It had a shelf in there already. And this was for an armoire. This was for shelves for clothes or whatever. But you know, you can take plastic containers like this, you can put all your food in there and stack everything in there. That's what's happened here. Then you can stack other things there. And that worked out really good. But at the top, what are we going to do with the top? I mean, like I said, it was set up for an armoire. You can hang clothes up here, and there's an adjustable rack. Well, there's a little rack up here. Look at all this food in there. It's just kind of crammed in there. And there was a rack way up high here that you can pull that out and slip that out. And that's for hanging clothes if you want. The back was cut out because there used to be a big, huge TV in here. You can make an armoire into that. Leave this top thing in here, and voila, you've got a TV armoire. You can put your DVD players down at the bottom, or recording stuff down at the bottom, down there where that bottom shelf is. But making this into a pantry, there's, you know, gotta figure out something a little bit better than this. I mean, these shelves down here are fine. See, these shelves down here, but I want to try to match something like this a little bit. And this shelving material is 3/4 of an inch, and it's pretty deep and it's pretty wide. You know, how are we going to find a shelf like that at the store? How long is this? Looks like about 36 inches. You can't just go to the store and buy a piece 36 inches by 18.5-inch wide shelf and slap one in there, you know? It's just not that easy, is it? Never seems to be. And see all this here? That's the only shelf. We got that one shelf here at the bottom. Well, I'm going to put another shelf like right here, and I can put a shelf up higher. I think I can get 2 shelves in there. Maybe one shelf here and one up here somewhere. You know? But I want to make it match. You go to the hardware store, you think they just have black shelves you can buy and plop right on in there? Well, it's a little bit harder than that, but I think I've come up with an idea. Now this is for putting shelves. I mean, you don't have to do it this way, but you know, you can use something like this as a pantry at the end of your hallway. And here's what I found at the store. It took me a little while to figure this out, but I want to show you what I'm going to do, and this might crop up some ideas in your thought process on what you can do with your armoire or that empty space at the end of the hallway.